there, I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and on this channel I post crochet tutorials and patterns every week. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a single crochet border around your blanket for neat edges and flat corners. I showed you before how to crochet a single crochet border around your blanket, but in that video I only covered the single crochet and treble rows. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet your single crochet border when you have double crochet stitches. I am working on a blanket for my latest pattern, the Pig Baby Blanket, which I now finished, and I want to make it look more neat and more straight by crocheting a single crochet around it. This blanket is made with back post and front post double crochet stitches, and it's a very simple variation of the basket weave stitch. I'll put a link to the tutorial in the description if you want to make this pattern. For this blanket I use double knit yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, but for the border I'm going to go one size down and use a 4.5mm crochet hook because I like a tighter edge. And in my opinion, it's easier to fix a tight edge by blocking the blanket, but you can't really fix a loose, curled up border. So I recommend you go one size down from the hook you use for the blanket. I will start in the left corner, right where I finish my last row, and I haven't cut the yarn or weaved in ends. I'm just gonna continue and crochet along the left side of the blanket. So turn your blanket with the left side facing up, and we are going to start by crocheting between the first two stitches, and we're going to make one single crochet. And then our next stitch is going to be in the base of the stitch inside this space right here. Next, we are going to make a single crochet between the two stitches, and again another single crochet in the base of that stitch, and again one single crochet between the two stitches and one in the base. And we're going to continue like that all the way to the bottom, and I will pause my video and come back and show you how to crochet your stitches around the corner. So now I almost reached the bottom corner of the blanket. I just wanted to show you again how and where to place your stitches in case you didn't see it clearly before because it was pink on pink. So now I've moved the blanket on the side, and let me show you again. What you do is single crochet in the space between the stitches, so around the last double crochet stitch, and then your next stitch will be in this bottom stitch chain, right there in that tiny hole, and single crochet. And again your next one is around the double crochet post and back into the base of the stitch right there in that space, another single crochet, and just continue one inside around the stitch, one at the base of the stitch. So now we reach the bottom corner, and we will be making our corner and transition to the other side by making 3 single crochet in the bottom stitch. So make your 3 single crochet stitches, by the way, that bottom corner is the first stitch from the bottom. And now we are going to work on the bottom side of the blanket, and simply single crochet in each of these stitches. and continue to single crochet until you reach the end of this row. Then make your 3 single crochet in a corner and start doing the border on the side. And then just crochet around the blanket until you reach the first stitch you made, and don't forget to make your corner stitches. And this is how you crochet a single crochet border around your blanket when you have double crochet rows. And this is how you crochet a single crochet border around your blanket when you have double crochet rows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know in the comments. If you want to be notified of future crochet tutorials and patterns, consider subscribing to Crafting Happiness channel and hit the notification bell besides the subscribe button. Happy crocheting!